enjoy going to the beach and watching the big giant waves. And while we're here, what we like to do is use the fire log, the romantic fire log. So we press this button, and then you go to Toybox, press that one, and then come over to Romance, press that one, and then just press where it says Get Cozy. And what happens is you get a beautiful fire there, and your heated seats get a little hotter, and nice hot air comes out of the vent. So it really does feel like you're in front of a fire. And sometimes it gets so hot that you either have to turn this off or open the windows, because it's essentially the same type of heat that you would have if a fire was right there. But it's pretty cool, and really nice if you're just going somewhere to relax. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and also hit the notification bell so we can send you lots more videos just like this one.